Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to boost FPS with Process Lasso. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Boosting FPS with Process Lasso in 2024 can be achieved by optimizing system resources and prioritizing CPU usage for your games. Here's a general guide on how to boost FPS with Process Lasso. Firstly, launch Process Lasso on your PC. Navigate to the main section. Within Process Lasso, ensure that Pro Balance and Smart Trim are enabled. These features help optimize CPU usage and memory management, which can improve FPS. Another method, proceed to the active power profile settings and choose high performance. This ensures that your system is running at its maximum performance level, which can lead to better FPS in games. Next method, in Process Lasso, locate and enable Performance Mode. This setting prioritizes system resources for the foreground application, such as your game, resulting in improved performance on FPS. Next method, access the Options menu in Process Lasso and navigate to the memory settings. Adjust the Smart Trim options to optimize the memory usage for better FPS performance. Consider setting the Smart Trim interval to a lower value, such as 5 minutes, and enable the Purge Standby List option. Another guide, launch your game and return to Process Lasso. Locate the game process in the process list. Right-click on it and choose CPU priority. Choose Always High to prioritize CPU resources for the game, which can lead to smoother gameplay and increase FPS. And lastly, monitor your game's performance while playing and make adjustments to Process Lasso settings as needed. Experiment with different configurations to find the optimal settings for boosting FPS. By following these steps and optimizing Process Lasso settings, you can effectively boost FPS and improve gaming performance in 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.